If you're tired of dragging old pain into your new season, I got a message for you. It's time to break free and reclaim your future. Now, some of you are trying to move forward while still chained to what have broke you. You keep replaying, like the old mistakes, the old betrayals, the old wounds, like somehow punishing yourself will make it just all right and all better. But it's not. You just keep being stuck in the same cycle, dragging the same pain into every new opportunity that's presented to you. And at some point, you got to ask yourself, do I want to heal, or do I just want to stay familiar with my pain? Because comfort can live in that chaos that you're in, and too many people stay bound to their past simply because that's the only thing that they know. And let me tell you something, forgiveness isn't about pretending that it didn't hurt. It's not about saying that, it's fine when it ain't fine, when it really did hurt you. Forgiveness is about releasing your own heart from being a prisoner of what happened to you. You don't forgive because they deserve it. You forgive because you deserve that peace. You deserve that freedom. You deserve to step into a new season without that old weight. Now, the past can teach us something, but it cannot define you. Not unless you're letting it do so. Forgiveness is the doorway between who you were and who you're becoming. Now, the moment you forgive, you take your power back. You stop being controlled by what they did or what you had lost or what they didn't get right. You stop living like a victim of your past and start walking like a builder of your future. You might not be able to change what had happened to you, but you can change how you carry it now. Because the truth is, you don't heal by holding on. You heal by letting go. So here's what I want you to do for me. Take one thing that's been haunting you, one mistake, one hurt, one regret, and release it. Say it out loud if you have to. I forgive them. I forgive myself. I am done dragging this into my future. Your healing starts when you stop rehearsing what had hurt you, and your breakthrough starts the moment you stop being loyal to that old pain. You're not who you were back then. You're stronger now. You're wiser now. And it's time to walk like it. Your past may have shaped you, but it doesn't own you. Forgive it and watch how your future begins to unfold. Grace and peace, guys.